Major train accident averted in Mumbai as the bogies along with the engine of the Panchavati Express were separated from the rest of its coaches today. The express train, which departed from Manmad town in Nasik, was approaching the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja terminus. At 9:45 in the morning, 3 coaches of the train separated at Kalyan Takurli area, leaving the remaining 19 coaches behind on the track. Service resumed at 11:30 am and no injuries were reported. Departmental inquiry has been ordered to find the reasons behind the incident.